Om Shivaya Nama. Veer Vanakkam to all. My name is Amarda. I'm from Changalpat. Actually, I've been traveling with Guruji for a few years. I have finished this master class for 1 year. I have benefited in various aspects. Really, Guruji said about the 5 dimensions of life like health, wealth, relationship, blissfulness, and enlightenment. He works out on all these aspects in this 1 year. He's guiding us in all these aspects. To say, if in health wise, I have cold for 15 days, continuous cold. It was very heavy. Just one day, Guruji gave a simple practice. After that, every flunk came out, and I was very okay. Within half an hour, I was okay. This is a simple example. After that, attending the Hatha Yoga program, the training was given by Karunyama. She was training very patiently to us because it was difficult for us to cope up with the yoga, which we haven't done for the many past years, which is new to us. So she was training us very patiently, and we did the 24 hours. It was a great achievement for us. At last, we finally did it. So after this Hatha Yoga, I had uterus problem. The doctor told that I had to be removed. Uterus has to be removed, but I don't want to undergo the surgery. So I waited. I just finished the Hatha Yoga program very recently. After this, my last 4 month menstrual cycle was very normal. It was up to date. I had no problem with my uterus now. Now the scan report was very normal. So even before this Hatha Yoga program, I couldn't even climb the stairs without any support. I have to catch the walls and climb. But after this Hatha Yoga, I was very happy. I was very healthy too. I can even do jogging. Before that, I couldn't do any jogging practice and all. My legs will pain like anything. So after this Hatha Yoga program, I was very okay. In this master class, Guruji has a session in every month. He teaches about various topics like parenting, how to handle stress, how to handle anger, how to bring the positive vibration in home, how to increase our wealth. Before I thought wealth is just a thing which people who just can earn, who is lucky can earn, they can live happily. But for us, it is not possible. Like that and all little mindset will come when we go down. But it is not the case. So simple techniques, Guruji tell us. After following the techniques, everyone can live wealthily. So money is not an issue. Money is not a problem after following those steps. So simple techniques we have to follow, which Guruji guide us. Every step Guruji is guiding for us. And about relationship maintenance, it is really a very hard thing for me. As a homemaker, it was very difficult for me to handle. But after attending Guruji classes, it is very easy for me. I am calm enough now. So I can handle the problems. Even the problems are not coming to me now. It is I'm away from the problems now because of the guidance of the Guruji. Everything is maintained at the correct position. Everything settled down now. So some calmness is maintained, and everything around us can be handled very happily. So thanks to Guruji for training me continuously for coming up to this level. Again, saying about the meditation class. Every day, 5 to 5:30, we have the meditation class. After attending that meditation class, the entire day is very calm and peaceful. We can go just like that. Okay, pass it away. That like you can face everything. Even someone shouts at us, okay, they have some problem. They are shouting, okay, no problem. So we can face it everything coolly. So these mental things, health-wise things, everything came just after the training of Guruji. We're very, very thankful to Guruji for this.